Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I will be showing you our beauty box. So we're so excited to partner with Yaya. She's just great and she has showcased our products so beautifully over the years. And we wish her well as she is getting ready to go through surgery. We just pray that everything would work great. So, in conjunction with her giveaway, we are giving away three of these lovely beauty boxes. Yes, I'm so excited to be able to give this away to three lucky winners. So, Oslove Organics has been there for many years, and we have so many wonderful supporters out there. We really appreciate every one of you. And this Christmas and this holidays, we want to show some love to three lucky winners. So, in here, you would find all that you need to make lovely gifts this holiday. So you can make hair butters with this, you can make skin butters, and we have two wonderful butters in there that you can whip up, and we have two oils. And we have also a gift that I will be showing. That's a surprise gift in there. It's just amazing. I'm so excited. So when you pick this up, you are sure to be able to get at least a bunch of jars of buddy butters that you can make for your family and friends this holidays and give away. So I hope you enjoy this giveaway in conjunction with Yaya's giveaway, and I will see you in my next video.
So here is the beauty box. So we have a few versions of the beauty box. So this is the DIY ingredient beauty box. So here we are including our handmade bracelet as a gift for you, and we have extra virgin coconut oil in here, an 8-ounce size, and we have some mango butter, a pound of mango butter, and half a pound of kupuasu butter. And we also have kukui nut oil in there for you. So there are several things you can make with this box. And to enter, just follow the rules in the description section. And we wish you all the best as you celebrate this beautiful season. Definitely stay tuned for more videos and wish you the best of luck in the giveaway. Thank you for watching again. Bye.